Hello and welcome back to the video, or should we say the channel, guys. And if you've got a Citroen C5 Aircross, or irrelevant of that, what we would say is like the 2-litre diesel. This is a 2019 Citroen C5 Aircross. If you've got, my machine's a bit, there we are. So if you've got the P0113 Inlet air temperature sensor, airflow sensor, and if you're getting one on there, and if you're losing power or juddering, you'll have some sort of symptoms, I guess. I'll show you where it is, so you know what's what and where to look for and what to do. So this top one, not the bottom one, forget the Denox one, the top one, is this sensor here. So let me zoom in so you get the code, manufacturer code. So Citroen and Peugeot are the same. This engine's in probably the vans as well. So what I would recommend is check the wiring to make sure you are getting voltage to these. If that's good, then what we recommend is take this out. There is electrical spray conductors, electrical sprayers online, probably from even Screwfix. I know they do sell it, Bullseye, Eurocar Part, these places. Open this up, spray it, put it back, do a full scan and clear if you have one. If not, it's not end of the world. And then once you have, do a test drive, see if that's worked. If it has, good, you've eliminated the fault. If it hasn't, get another OEM original sensor like this one, guys, and just replace it. There's nothing fancy needed. It's literally plug and play, if you ask me, like we've done with this one. And then just enjoy, I guess. But you have to get original OEM. If you don't, honestly, you're going to be in the same boat, guys. It may not work. So that's why we recommend you get original OEM. You can get them on eBay. Even used is okay to a degree, depending on the car. But new is always recommended to save yourself time and hassle and stress.